Welcome to the popular community of Antilles in Vero Beach, a highly sought-after West Indies-inspired gated community offering resort-style amenities surrounded by tropical landscaping. Today, we are exploring a stunning, move-in-ready 2017 lakefront residence located at 2655 Antilles Lane. As you step inside the elegant lead glass front door into the foyer, you are greeted by an expansive open concept floor plan, enjoying natural light, high ceilings, and designer finishes including crown molding and upgraded granite countertops. D.R. Horton, the builder, designed a thoughtful space to include an informal dining area, a gourmet kitchen boasting double islands, a breakfast nook, indoor laundry, and 3-car garage. The primary wing is a true retreat with views overlooking the lake, tray ceilings, dual walk-in closets, and a spa-inspired ensuite with plenty of room. This is a true 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom split floor plan that spans over 2,300 square feet of modern luxury. Outside, the private screened patio offers breathtaking lakefront views with lush tropical landscaping, including a fountain view from your patio. And yes, there's room to put in a pool and a fence. Living at 2655 Antilles Lane also means enjoying a multi-million-dollar amenity complex, featuring a resort-style pool, Har-Tru tennis courts, a state-of-the-art fitness centre, and an active social community that meet for social events. Experience the permanent vacation you deserve. For more information or to schedule a tour, visit our website today.